Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I got the Satechi Qi2 Trio wireless charging pad here. They were kind enough to send this out for review, and this is something I've been really wanting to get open so I can put it on my nightstand. But as you can see here, it's a trio as it says, so you can do your phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch, and it is travel friendly as well. And then if you look here on the back, you can kind of see some of the different use cases here. As it shows, it can be flattened or you can have the stand up. So that's just really nice. And then it is vegan leather, AirPod charger, Apple Watch charger, all that good stuff, adjustable hinge, etc., etc. It's going to set you back around 80 to 90 something dollars depending on where you get it. I'll link it down in the description. So let's get this bad boy open. All right, so have a user manual here. It looks like here is the main attraction, which I'll put to the side, and let's see what comes inside of here. So USB-C to USB-C cable, and then a charging brick, which I actually really like this type of charging brick because it's got different adapters. So depending on where you're traveling, if you're going, you know, to a different country. So here in the United States, I would be using this one here. So I got a nice charging brick here. Looks like it is a 45 watt GAN quick charger, which is awesome, but you can do that. Or if you need to, you know, obviously use it in a different way, you can slide it on here. And now you have different ways of actually using it if you're, you know, like I said, traveling to different countries and whatnot. So that's a nice added bonus for sure. And let's get it open here. And then looks like we have a portion on here which I can lift up and get that off. And there it is. So as you can see, you can go flat. So if you want to just have a flat surface and have your items placed on here, that is perfectly fine. Or you can lift this up, as you can see here, and now you have the ability to mount your smartphone on there and you're good to go. So pretty dang nice. The vegan leather feels extremely nice. Smells like leather, so that's a good thing. And then as you can see here, you can pop this up and then put your Apple Watch on here. So 3 different ways of doing it. And then if you notice here on the bottom, it does say it is the Trio wireless charging pad with it being a Qi2. So 15 watts here and then 5 watts and 5 watts. So let me go ahead and plug this in and let's test it out. All right, so first things first, let's do the Apple Watch here. So I'm gonna pop that up, slap it on there. As you can see, it is charging. Next, let's do my AirPods Pro 2. And now you can see that it's red and it dinged. And then last but not least, I'm going to do my smartphone. And got my iPhone 16 Pro there. And as you can see, it's in that docking mode. Very simple, which is really nice. But it's not very wide. I mean, honestly, like if you do it in this mode, you know, it's only about, I mean, gosh, it's, you know, about the size of my hand, maybe a little bit more. So, you know, maybe about 8-9 inches, something like that. So very, very compact. It's really nice. You can even kind of angle it if you wanted to and do it like that. If you wanted to not have it on a stand, you could totally just close it and drop it down and then it would still catch and then still Qi wirelessly charge or MagSafe charge it, but Qi 2 as far as that extra you know, speed for 15 watts. It doesn't feel like this is magnetized, so that would be the only gripe that I would have. It would be nice if it was magnetized to kind of hold in place. But, you know, once you put it on there and just kind of set it and forget it, then it'll work just fine. And then if I didn't have this type of watch band on the actual Apple Watch, then I could just set it here. But obviously you get the idea, where if you wanted to have it more just like this, then you could totally do so and it would be very easy to charge. So honestly guys, not a very long video, as you can tell. It's very short, very simple, but the point is that you're able to charge 3 product on this charger and it just looks good. You know, got a little LED indicator there. I forgot to point that out right there, but very clean looking, very Apple-esque is kind of the way I would say. It's a very high-end, very premium feel. It's got the little rubbery feet at the bottom to help, you know, from the anti-skidding, so that way once it's on your desk, it's not going to move around on you. But just really nice to be able to charge 3 products at the same time in a very fashionable look. So there we go, guys. If you're interested, like I said, in this, I will definitely link it down in the description. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.